Paul. Yes, just looking at page maybe 142. Yes. There's a misappropriating or falsifying of accounts by public officer. Yes. Now, that public court record, yeah, is it an account or is it just a court record? Now, I know a public official, yeah, officer of a court, right. Now, it could be any person elected to office, but let's just think of the public officer and the misappropriation and falsifying of the counts known as uh, court uh, numbers, right. Superior Court case number, Superior Court account number. Ouch! Now, is each account of the public record, are they accounts or are they cases? Then there's a misappropriating and falsifying accounts by a public officer. It's a Class B felony. Yes, yes, it is. Now, I know a lot of judges never thought of a case as an account, but when you look through the different accounts, yes, they all are numbered. I mean, for the most part, they are. Yes, they are. But this numbering of the actual case numbers, are they accounts or are they cases? Because let's say my name's Paul Budnick, because it is. Right. And it's Superior Court account number XYZPDQ 123. Yes, yes. But there's no number or there's no letters involved in it. Yes. Now, when you really think about, okay, the numbering of accounts, bank accounts, they all have numbers, right? And then you have you have branch numbers, or you have routing numbers. You have like a routing account number. Is there a routing account number for Superior Court cases? Yes. District Court cases? Yes. And then Supreme Court cases. Now, I know you're saying you'll never get the Class B on that one, but let's say I found out you falsified certain Superior Court case numbers that are really Superior Court account numbers. You're missing some documentation. Not a big deal. Poo shampoo. No, well, I'm wrong. Okay, I'll give you that one. I'm gonna have a tough time proving that in court. They're all numbered accounts. They're numbered case accounts. Now, why don't you go back and look at exactly the origination of the judicial system of this great nation? And then there's that misprision of treason. Yes, I did know it was a felony. It's a Class C felony. But for you in the conspiracy, it's gross misdemeanor, and you don't have to worry about that. Ouch! Son of a gun. Now I know. Your misprision of treason, poo poo, covering up the treason of refusing to enforce the civil rights, yes, refusing to enforce the Constitution. Now, why don't you just give me all those? Now, there's the obtaining of signing by deception or duress, Class C. Now, somebody said that I had a weapon, right? And I think it was the actual signature of the ex-official Superior Court clerk. Now, you obtained your signature by the deception of saying I had a weapon when I didn't. Yes, under the duress that I was going to hurt somebody. Pooch, Class C felony. But who was the individual that decided to sign the protection order? That's a Class C felony. Well, did you deceive the individual that was the imposter? Did you tell her that you were just the same as any elected oath of office and there's no reason that you wouldn't want to sign this court document? There's no possible way you could go to prison for it. It would be deceptive on the part of the county clerk. Now, there's the offering of false instrument for filing or record. Pooch. When you file in a Superior Court case, yes, or do you file it in the court case record? Is it a public record or is it a public account? Oh, now I know offering the false instrument known as the protection order, yes, where it's not the actual signature of the elected oath of office. It doesn't look anything like her signature pad signatures. Yes, doesn't look like her oath of office. But then there's the offering of the false instrument for filing, or record. Did you actually file that? Because I know when I was served on it, yes, I have a copy of it here, but I don't actually have a file. Pooch. Do I have a file that you do put 5 days proof of judicial notice in a file? Yes. So that would be the offering of a false instrument to file in my actual court case or my actual court account. Now, it's a record. Okay. You say that you did file it in there. Well, why does the copy Exhibit A look different than mine, where it doesn't have the forgery? It has the fraudulent initials. Now, was there some deception in certifying that document as being the actual document that was served on me? Now, we got we got two deceptions. Yes, we got the deception of the filing of the Exhibit A. Is it is an Exhibit A in during the malicious prosecution of myself where you filed Exhibit A and Exhibit B, or is it the public record of the district court? Yes, that it is a record of the court that you admitted Exhibit A and Exhibit B, and Exhibit A does not look like the actual protection order that I have. Now, these are all Class C felonies, and for the co-conspirators that thought, well, we can violate all the laws. It doesn't fucking matter. All we get is gross misdemeanors, and if you get 20, 30, 40 of them, big fucking deal.